the palette, searching for that perfect blue. But what I see are tones I never wanted, it's true. Red turns to purple, yellow into green. In this game of hues, no luck for me, it seems. Mixing colors, rarely hitting the right tone. But in the art of failing, we find a strength of our own. Black at the end looks pretty good indeed. Sometimes the wrong shade leads us to the right creed. Looking for that perfect yellow, bright as the sun, but the result is gray, feeling like the dream is gone. Orange turns to brown, mixing is a chore, but these darker shades, they have their own lore. Every stroke, every brush stroke, a journey, a try. Sometimes it turns to black, but that's not our goodbye. In darkness we find light, in chaos our plan. At the end it's black, and it looks good, man. All black, a real dark black. Mixing colors, rarely hitting the right tone. But in the art of failing, we find a strength of our own. Black at the end looks pretty good indeed. Sometimes the wrong shade leads us to the right creed. So we keep on mixing, mistakes are no crime. Every dark stroke bringing us to our prime. Black is beautiful, black is strong. In this canvas of life we find where we belong. So we keep on mixing, mistakes are no crime. Every dark stroke bringing us to our prime. Black is beautiful, black is strong. In this canvas of life we find where we belong. But in the art of failing, we find a strength of our own. Black at the end looks pretty good indeed. Sometimes the wrong shade leads us to the right creed. All black, a real dark black.